How to fix age restriction on Twitter app. So if you want to fix age restriction on Twitter app, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Twitter application. After that, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now here, what you need to do is press to the profile icon, which will be in the top left corner, and then just simply scroll down, go with settings and support, and go with settings and privacy. And then you can go ahead and verify your age by submitting your government issued ID, or else if you don't want to do that lengthy process, then you could also just go ahead and change your date of birth. Simply go to your profile one more time, and then you want to click on the profile option. Now you need to go with edit profile, which will be in the top, and click on the date of birth and go with remove date of birth and then add another date of birth. Make sure that the date of birth that you're choosing is above the age of 18. And after changing your date of birth, it will fix your age restriction on your Twitter app. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.